Wow, we just received an amazing 5-star review from one of our new happy customers. They were so excited about our great customer service, they went online and left this fantastic review. Here's what they had to say. This is one of our favorite reviews that we've been given. We love hearing we're doing a great job as we work very hard for all of our customers, providing the best service possible and listening carefully to our customers' needs. We want you to experience the best customer service possible, and at the same time, we would like to earn a 5-star review from you. So why wait? Call us at the number on your screen today and find out for yourself what everyone's raving about.